This Haisstronica wire ferrule kit provides a very large assortment of cord pin ends that covers common American wire gauge sizes for hobby and professional electrical work. The ferrules use heavily tin-plated copper barrels that conduct well and crimp down firmly, giving a secure connection that resists loosening over time. Durable nylon insulation forms a clean sleeve around each conductor, helping to prevent stray wire strands and reducing the risk of shorts in tight panels. With multiple size options in one box, it is easy to match the ferrule to control wiring, automotive harnesses, marine circuits, and other custom projects without hunting for separate packs. The compartmented storage case keeps each size separated even if it is flipped or jostled, so you can quickly find the right piece and keep your bench organized. For anyone who does frequent terminal work, this kit is a convenient all-in-one stock of ferrules that improves connection reliability and gives finished wiring a more professional look.